In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Monday doc column in monday.com in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to monday.com or just looking for ways to streamline your board setup, I've got you covered. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to monday.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button. It's usually in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be prompted to log in using your credentials. If you prefer convenience, you can simply select the Google login option. Choose your Google account and you'll be swiftly logged into your monday.com account. Now that you're logged in, you should be on your dashboard. Navigate over to your desired board where you'd like to add a new column. Look closely at your existing table. You'll notice a small plus icon positioned toward the right edge of the table. This is where you'll need to click in order to add a new column. It's a handy way to expand your table according to your project needs. With the column addition window open, you might see several column types listed. Locate the More Columns button and click on it. This action will reveal even more options to customize your table further. The monday.com interface is user-friendly, yet this step is crucial for accessing some of the more advanced features. Next, all you need to do is type doc into the search bar within the column selection area. This will filter the results, making it quicker and easier to find precisely what you're looking for. You should see the Monday Doc option appear shortly thereafter. Go ahead and click on it. After selecting the Monday Doc, you'll be directed to an overview of how this column will integrate with your board. To finalize adding this feature, click on the Add to Board button. This last step will insert the Monday Doc column into your board, ready to use. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've successfully enhanced your board with a Monday Doc column, allowing for better documentation and collaboration within your team. This addition makes it easier to attach and manage important documents directly in your workflows, keeping everything neatly organized and accessible. If you encounter any issues during the setup, don't hesitate to revisit these steps or check out monday.com's support resources for additional help. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with your newfound column.